This is a demonstration on how to use SketchBook, or you could also find this utility in any other type of a sketchbook or sketching type of application. This one is free, and so we're demonstrating this. For instance, you'll find a similar utility in something like Notability, which you can see on here. This is a paid app, but does a similar function. What we're trying to show here is the ability to take a photo and make edits within there. So if I want to add a photo in here, I want to click add, and what it's going to do is draw from my photo library, or if I clicked camera, I could take a picture right now from where I'm at. So for instance, if I click camera, you can see exactly what we're looking at and be able to take that photo. In this case, I want to do a photo library if I already have a photo that I'd like to look at. So here's one I took on farm that I would like to suggest some changes that the producer could do, for instance. So here you've got different, along the top, a lot of different things you can utilize. You'll see the pen function here, and this gives you a lot of options for the type of tip you want to use, the size of that, the color. Let's say I want kind of a red color here, and I want to increase the radius of that, and I want to use that function. So now you can see I can draw right on here. I can circle this and say, please fix. So I can also insert a text box if I wanted to do it that way. So here I could say install new gutter outlet. Click done, and I can move that text wherever I want it. I can increase the size just by using single finger or double finger installation on that. So there's a lot of different ways that you can manipulate these. You can change if you're going to use a mirrored text or a single text, straight line, squiggly line, however when you utilize that. There's a lot of different ways. You can go back on things, so this is like an undo. Information will kind of give you more info on that. In this case, I want to save this file, and I want to go back and look at that. I can click on it, and then I've got a variety of functions on what I can do with that. In this case, I want to export this. So I'm going to say, where do I want it to go? I want it to go back in my photo library. Once you choose the orientation that you want, you click on that, and now I can see that it has been put into my photo library back again. I can then decide, once you go into your photos, what I want to do with this. You've got a variety of different options at the top. And if I want to export this, I can send it as mail. I can assign it to a contact, or use any of these other things. So usually if you want to mail it to someone, send it off, or save it that way, you can do that. You can also upload this in your Dropbox if you want to take it from your iPad onto another device. And by doing that, you just go into Dropbox, and you can look at our series or our video on Dropbox and its utility, but you click upload here. I can choose that photo that I just had, choose upload, and now it's in my Dropbox, and then I can access it from my desktop or anywhere else. From here I can also send it to another application just by clicking on it. Once it's uploaded, again, I can choose how I want to send that out, or if I want to open it into another application. So that is SketchBook Pro, just a way to utilize, edit photos, change things up. You can also use documents in here as well to change those as well. For more information on this particular app or any other ones that have a drawing utility, just give us a call. Thanks.